Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Daniel and I will explain about the definition of civil service and public administration. Civil service basically refers to the group of professional government workers who make sure the country runs smoothly every day. They are not politicians, they are the people in ministry and government agencies who carry out the actual work. Public administration, on the other hand, is the system that guide how government activities are planned, organized and delivered to the public. In simple words, it's how the government manage its work to serve the people.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is FARZANA binti MUHAMAD and I will be presenting about the functions of civil service, which is as the answer for the administrations to the people. One of the functions of civil service is as the answer for the administration to the people. Civil service is important because they are the middle party between the government and people. So they have to build citizen trust to ensure people can cooperate so that the country can run smoothly. One of the answer for administration to the people is by providing direct services. Direct services is services that civil service provides directly to citizens where they can access and benefit them. Services such as healthcare, education, transportation, identity documents and public safety. While they deliver essentials, they have to make sure that there is fairness and neutrality regardless of religion, race or political background. For instance, MySejahtera app during pandemic COVID-19 functioned to let users track symptoms. And other than that, My Card, birth certificate and others can be managed by the Jabatan Pendaftaran Negara JPN. This ensures that policies created by the government are implemented into real benefits to the people. Next, the second one is improving efficiency and reducing bureaucracy. Administrations that works efficiently will reduce unnecessary delays and eliminate complicated procedures for gaining public satisfactions. Citizens most likely to cooperate when systems and services are easily to access. For example, via MyJPJ app, Ministry of Transportation Anthony Loke has said that Malaysian will be able to renew driving license and road tax online via MyJPJ app starting February 2024, and this will increase the flexibility. From saving time and resources, this will enhance the efficiency for both government and the public. Having said that, improving efficiency and reducing bureaucracy will ensure that government services are easily reached citizens quickly and conveniently that lead to strengthened effectiveness and administration to the people.
Assalamualaikum everyone, I am FATHONAH and I would like to present to you guys about drawing up of its policy. First is policy drafting. Its civil service change government's goals into clear and detailed policy, and they make guidelines and produce so policy can work in real life. Second is operational capacity. It means turning policy into action. In individual, they need skill manager and clear rules. And for organizational, they need a good structure and training staff. And lastly, for system-wide, they need a teamwork across many agency and group. Lastly, roles in policy making. They are research, collect data and evidence. For manager, they will choose policy options and study their effect. And lastly, for planners, they will talk to stakeholders and help carry out the policy. That's all.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am PUTERI and today I will explain about to work out the detailed regulations necessary to give effect to the status. So what is detailed regulations? Detailed regulations is specific rules or guidelines on how the regulations should be implemented in the society to promote transparency towards society. The first example is Road Transport Act 1987. These policies are made by Ministry of Transportation, MOT, but MOT does give out the detailed regulations or specific rules to the civil service so that the policy that will be executed by civil service are clear, which is MOT has stated out about driving license, road signs, vehicle transportations, and speed limit. The second one is Prevention and Control of Infectious Disease Act 1988. These policies are made by Ministry of Health, MOH, that they have give out the SOP, which is Standard Operation Procedure, that is same meaning with detailed regulations or specific rules. So MOH does give specific rules about roadblock, wearing mask, and quarantine. So the policy that will be executed by civil service, which is during the COVID-19 is police, will be clear so that civil service know how to implement the policy, how to execute the law. Everything will be clear and everything is standardized. This is to ensure harmony and the objective of the policy will be achieved. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is ATHIRAH and I would like to present about to implement policies. To implement policies, the government uses several administrative functions which are planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and supervising. First, planning involves identifying issues, analyzing options, setting goals and drafting laws or regulations, as well as preparing action plans with tasks, resources and timelines. For example, the Ministry of Health plans the National Vaccination Program. Next, organizing refers to creating a clear structure at the federal, state and local levels where ministries and departments distribute responsibilities and coordinate tasks, such as the Ministry of Education assigning roles to lead districts and schools to implement a new curriculum. The third function is directing, which focuses on leadership, supervision and communication to ensure policies are implemented effectively. For example, the Human Resource Ministry directing officers to carry out workplace safety inspections. The fourth function is coordinating, which ensures different agencies work together, avoid duplication and support each other. For example, the Department of Social Welfare and Jabatan Kebajikan Masyarakat coordinating with NGOs and other government agencies to deliver welfare assistance. The fifth function is supervising, which involves monitoring, evaluating and giving feedback to ensure policies are implemented correctly, ensure quality and proper use of resources, such as a district education officer supervising the rollout of new teaching modules in schools. However, policy implementation faces challenges such as limited resources and lack of skills, bureaucracy and political interference, resistance from stakeholders, poor communication, unclear policies and weak monitoring.
In summary, the civil service is already considered as the backbone of a country's administrative system. Civil service is important because they have to make sure the daily operations of government is functioning smoothly and effectively. And lastly, civil service help to shaping national development smoothly while not forgetting to take care of society well-being to achieve our national goals. That's all from us. Thank you.